What's up, everybody? So today we've got something a little bit different. We're gonna help a couple friends out with their Jeep. Just got a couple real quick, easy mods to do to it. Need to throw some wheel spacers on the front, so it is rubbing right there. And then I think she's got like a light bar wants to throw on there. So we'll see if we can't get that knocked out too. Alright, so this is all the stuff they brought. Got a light bar, some pods, and then like this crazy looking wiring. Got all these buttons. And then some brackets to hold everything on, and some wheel spacers. Got the passenger side done. Not much, but just enough. You can see a little bit better where it's rubbing in there too. Right there. Alright, got all four spacers on. And now we're working on putting the light bar on it. We went ahead and pulled this piece off and figured out where we're going to put this box. We're just going to put it right here. And then we'll be able to run our wires up through here and up the brackets for the light bar. And then the little control switch, we ran through that hole right in there. And it went right out underneath the dash. Yeah, so it went right out there. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's some light coming through. So luckily that was super easy. So we'll get all the wires ran, positive ground, and then an accessory in the fuse box, and get all that stuff rounded, and then throw our brackets on and get this light bar on the top. Yeah, that's bright. Pretty good.
Yeah, looks good.
Well, mission accomplished. Got everything ran all nice and out of sight. Everything is under here. We took these panels off and ran everything that needed to go back and forth right there. Then the control went through that spot in the firewall like I showed y'all earlier. So yeah, I guess that'll do it for this one. Just a quick wheel spacer and light bar install on the old Jeep. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next week for another one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.